Hello guys, I am Shubham from ShubhVed tutorial. This video is about configuration in genetic linkage. Okay, so as we know, linked genes. Again, I will draw your chromosomes. Okay, right? We will draw in the same color. That's it. Okay, so see, we know these are the linked genes, right? As well as here, these are linked genes, right? Capital A, capital V, and small a, small b. So this type of configuration is known as cis. Okay, cis, right? This is known as cis. And in the next, okay, this is capital A, small b, and here small a, capital B. So this is known as trans. Okay, got it? So this is known as configuration of the linked gene. Configurations of linked genes, right? So that's it for this video. I hope this video helps you.
Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please share it. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified whenever the new video is out. Also follow us on all our social media pages, and you can join us on Telegram and stay connected for the latest updates. All links mentioned in the description section.